Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to all of you. Dear students, we were talking about atomic structure topic of chemistry, and I have already explained you about the discovery of subatomic particles, and last time we were discussing about the Bohr atomic model. I have explained you postulates of Bohr atomic model, applications of Bohr atomic model, and today we are going to discuss the defects of Bohr atomic model. As regard of the defects of Bohr atomic model, we are going to discuss here one by one. Whole research of Bohr was on hydrogen atom. So later, when the people they perform the more research work on hydrogen atoms, so they find the following defects. Like for example, according to the Bohr atomic model, this Bohr atomic model can only be applicable on monoelectronic system like hydrogen and like helium ion H plus 1, like lithium plus 2 ion. So all these have one electron. So this Bohr atomic model explain monoelectronic system, but this Bohr atomic model fails to explain the origin of spectrum of multi-electron systems. Like for example, helium, it has 2 electrons in its outermost shell, and beryllium and lithium. So if we talk about lithium, look, it has 3 electrons. So Bohr atomic model fails to explain like helium and lithium. It is applicable only on hydrogen because hydrogen has just 1 electron. So it is the first defect of Bohr atomic model. It can be applicable only on monoelectronic system but fail to explain the polyelectronic system. Second, according to the Bohr, the orbit around this nucleus in hydrogen atom is circular. This one is circular. But later it was proved the orbit is elliptical, not circular. According to the Bohr, electron revolve around the nucleus in a circular path just in a single plane. But now it is proved the electron move in 3 dimensions of the space, x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. Third defect, when the spectrum of hydrogen gas is seen with a powerful spectrophotometer, it has been observed that each original line of the spectrum further splits up. So there was no explanation with the Bohr for this one. So it is another defect of Bohr atomic model. Third, 4 here, Bohr atomic model fails to explain the Zeeman effect and Stark's effect. What is Zeeman effect? Zeeman applied the magnetic field on hydrogen spectrum. He observed that each spectral line further splits up in the presence of magnetic field. This is called Zeeman effect. Same, when the excited atom of the hydrogen of atomic emission spectrum is placed in electric field, same happened. Each spectral line further splits up into very fine lines. So this is called Stark's effect. Both these are same, but in Zeeman effect, he applied magnetic field and he observed the further splitting. In Stark's effect, he applied the electric field and observed the further splitting. So today we have discussed the defects of Bohr atomic model. As regard of the defects of Bohr atomic model, I can repeat again. Bohr atomic model fails to explain the multi-electronic system, Bohr atomic model cannot explain about the Zeeman effect and Stark's effect. According to the Bohr, electrons revolve around the nucleus in a circular path, but in real, the orbit is elliptical. According to the Bohr, electrons revolve around the nucleus in a single plane, but in real, it is proved electrons move in three axes of the plane: x-axis, y-axis, and z-axis. So for today, it's enough. Take care of you, take care of the peoples around you, and keep on watching my channel to find more lectures about the chemistry. Okay, Allah Hafiz.